I went out to the, I see a lot of rosters with dreads and beards. Like it's and they laid back here. It's like it's laid back.
All right then, later, nature boy.
All right, peace, girl. Peace.
Yo, what's good?
Everything regular.
Word. They chilling out there and shit now?
Yeah, we out here just because, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to live out here on this island, man. I'm going to let them talk crazy about me. I'm going to see what this island doing. Give me a lawyer, you know what I'm saying? Chill out. Be cool, you feel me? I'm going to stay out here for a little bit on this island. What up, peace?
Peace to the God.
Just going to give me a lawyer. I'm going to go to the police station. I'm about to go get my car. I'm going to drop by the police station and let them know what the fuck popping with my situation. You feel me?
Yeah.
He said,
that shit handled ASAP.
Yeah, and it's like black people here, so we blend in. You feel what I'm saying? Ain't nobody like really scared of you. See, the thing about the other islands is like they be scared of you. They scared of you. Yeah. That's why they come so hard. Like they scared. Right. He's scary. This is black people, man. They ain't fucking scared.
They ain't never seen a black nigga before, son.
No, I don't have a lawyer. I don't have a lawyer in St. Croix, but I'm getting one. So you understand when I'm in these islands like this, I feel like I blend in. They cool, and they see themselves when they see you, so they know how to deal with you. Right. So it's like seeing you as them. They seeing you as a stranger. They looking at you like you need to go.
Yeah.
Where you
right, especially being that you got all these wives and you're not their color. Yeah.
Right.
It's kind of envy.
Right, but here it's like rosters. You can feel like it's laid back, and that they know how to. Black people know how to deal with black people. You know what I'm saying? And I know they kind of hype all this shit up, but I'm not with a tribe of wives. You know what I'm saying? Like
that's what I had a question too, Baba G. Is the carbonation over with?
Yeah, they forming their own thing. I put Solar in charge and all that over there. Like Solar, my A-team, Solar, Musa, they all running that shit over there. Like that's their shit now. I'm doing my own thing, bro. It's time for me to separate and let them be men. And let them do their own thing. So they doing their own go right now. Hold on, the signal might fade a little bit. Come on, loves. I got everything.
I ain't gonna lie, where y'all niggas at? I really be out there.
Y'all close the door up, Aya. Biggs. Yes.